What if I told you that people are celebrating Valentine the wrong way? Every February 14th, hotels are booked, clubs are filled, and decisions are made that many people later regret. But this is not love. Today, I want to talk about the real essence of Valentine. Valentine's Day has become one of the most celebrated days in the world. Every February 14th, hearts turn red, gifts are exchanged, restaurants are filled, and social media overflows with romantic gestures. But somewhere along the line, the true meaning of Valentine has been lost. Today, for many, Valentine has been reduced to a day of unchecked passion, reckless indulgence, and immoral acts. It has become a day where some feel pressured to prove love in a way that violates their values, their bodies, and conviction. But this is not love. Love is not lust. Love is not pressure. Love is not manipulation. Love is not immorality. The real essence of Valentine's Day is love in its purest form, selfless, sacrificial, and sincere. Historically, the day traces back to Saint Valentine, who was right even under persecution. He was known for his compassion, kindness, and standing for what was right, even under persecution. The celebration was never meant to promote sin, but to promote genuine love, affection, and care for humanity. But this whole entirety has been misconstrued. True love is not just limited to romantic relationship. Valentine's Day is not just for couples. It's a day to show kindness to strangers, appreciate your parents, encourage a friend, forgiving those who has hurt you in one way or the other, supporting the needy, expressing gratitude, strengthening family bonds, and showing love universally. You have to note that love is universal. Love is powerful. Love is pure. If Valentine's becomes a day of immorality, then we have misunderstood the whole celebration completely. But if Valentine becomes a day of kindness, generosity, respect, and genuine affection, then we are celebrating it the right way it ought to be celebrated. Let's this Valentine be different, guys. Choose dignity over pressure. Choose purity over impulse. As well, choose character over culture. Choose real love. In a right and proven way. You have to know that love is right, love is proven, and love is commitment. As well, love is respect and sacrifices. February 14th, let's restore the true meaning of Valentine. Love anyone. So love is not restricted to one person alone. Love responsibly. So this is the whole essence of Valentine. If this video has blessed you, I want you to like, comment, share, as well as subscribe to this channel for more tips. Young girls, listen to this. Today is not a day to be carried away. Let me tell you some points which you need to grasp. A guy who gets you pregnant today may deny you and deny your baby. It only takes a responsible guy to accept responsibility for what? A pregnancy. Sure, take note of this. A lot of young girls, youths are going to get pregnant today. You know, a lot of single homes are going to be created today. Let's celebrate Valentine in the right perspective. It was the right thing. I got to discover something about love. Love is not just the words of the mouth. Love is talking about sacrifice, time, and commitment. Love is talking about compromise. Ability to ward off your rights just for peace to reign in the home. That is the whole essence of love. You have to take note of this. A guy who is not able to show you true love, is it that same guy that can buy pampers, or that will build you a house or buy you a car? Don't be deceived by the words of the mouth. And today is not the last day in life. You have so many days to live. So because of this, you have to be very, very careful about your actions today, about what you do. Because if you become carried away, then the whole essence of the celebration is lost. I'm talking particularly to young girls. A lot of you are going to see dates. A lot of women in marriages today are going to have issues with their husbands, because so many of them will want to go and follow some young girls. So guys, the whole essence of Valentine should not be misunderstood or misconstrued. The essence is showing humaneness, showing love in the right way and the right perspective. It's not about the romance, the kissing, the hug, or the eating. There is a lot more after that. Love is the ability to take responsibility. That is one thing you should know. The ability to take responsibility. That's the true meaning of love. You know, at a point in my life where a lot of people were paying sacrifices to me, for me, I felt maybe they were doing nothing. Yeah. But right now, as I speak to you now, when I am now the one to start making those sacrifices, I started appreciating their efforts and start seeing what they were doing. So guys, let's not get the whole meaning of Valentine misconstrued. Take note that every February 14, hotels are booked, clubs are filled with decisions, and this is not love. I want you to what? Take Valentine in the right perspective and celebrate it the right way. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.